even from Fratelli, quarantine beards may take a little bit of time to grow, but contrary to popular belief, pickles can be made really quickly at home. Cameron and Courtney, you ready to start cooking? You'll see a lot of different recipes online for different types of cucumbers, like Kirby for pickling, but we're going to use a plain old green cucumber here because that's what's available. Now, you could slice these really any way you want. We're going to make some spears and some chips. For the spears, what I like to do is, since I'm going to jar these, I'm going to eye it up to make sure they fit in the jar and cut it shorter than that. For the first half of the cucumber, I cut it into eighths to make these nice spears. I'm going to make the rest with these chips. Now, the thickness of these is totally preference. If you're going to put them on top of a sandwich, obviously cut them nice and thin. I like to snack on these guys, so I'm going to cut them on the thicker side, about somewhere between 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch. When you look at the packaging from your typical store-bought pickles, you're going to see they use distilled white vinegar. We're going to use that too, but I also find if I use a half mixture with white wine vinegar, it just gives the pickles a little bit sweeter and smoother taste. Of course, you could use just the distilled. To start the brine, we already got 1 cup of water in here. As mentioned with the vinegar, I'm going to use a 50-50 mixture. I'm going to add 1 more cup of the vinegar mixture, so 1/2 cup of the distilled white and 1/2 cup of the white wine. We're going to bring this up to a low boil, but just make sure all the salt and sugar is dissolved in the brine mixture. Because of science, the garlic may actually turn blue. It's just a chemical reaction from the vinegar and the heat. There's nothing wrong with your garlic. Of course, if you want to throw another fresh clove in the jar afterwards to make it nice and presentable, go ahead. Let this sit and cool till it gets to room temperature, and then your pickles are ready to eat. Everything's cooled down, these are ready to go. Go ahead and give one a taste. Very good. Got these really nifty mason jars that have these short tight seals. You put it on like that, and then you could go ahead and screw them down. I'll link in the description the link to purchase these online as well if you're interested in getting those, and then we're done with our pickles. There you have it, guys. We made some quick, easy, delicious homemade pickles. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up like button on YouTube. That would help us out a lot. Also, we're still a very new channel, trying to deliver you new recipes every week, so please subscribe to the channel. It would truly make my day. And also make them at home. It's really easy. You could use any type of cucumber. This pickling technique will work on other things too, like you want to make a quick pickled radish for tops of tacos and stuff like that. If you do make them, let us know how it came out in the comments. Everyone stay safe, keep cooking, and see you guys soon.